This is ByBit. Remember, like I said, we are going to be using we're going to be transferring USDT from Gate.io to ByBit. So this is ByBit, and then what you have to do first is come to ByBit and then come to your assets down here. Since we are transferring from Gate.io to ByBit, the first thing we need to do is just to come to ByBit. And if you look at this, I have only 22.18 USDT in ByBit. So we'll be transferring from ByBit from Gate.io to ByBit. So what you do here is to come to assets down here, look at deposits, and then look at withdraw, transfer, rest of them. So since we are to deposit into ByBit, we will come to deposit here, click on deposit, and then choose deposit crypto here, and then click on it. So in this search bar, you are going to search for the coin you want to deposit. Take for instance, you want to transfer or you want to deposit Tone, Dogs, not coin, any coin at all, BNB, BIT, BTC, any coin at all that you want to deposit. Search for it in this search bar. But in this case, I'm depositing USDT, so I will search for USDT, right? So if you come down here, you can see we have USDT.E, we have USDT, Theta USDT. So this is the first one I want to deposit. What I want to deposit is USDT, so I'm going to select USDT because that's what I want to deposit. So I will click on USDT. Now you will see that say choose a chain type. This chain type is just the network. So look at this instruction here. Make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawals from, right? This simply means that the same network you choose in this place, the same network you are going to choose from where you are making your transfer from, right? Which means that if you choose ERC20, make sure that in the other side you choose ERC20, and if you did not see ERC20 in the other side that you're making a transfer from, then come back and copy or choose another network that is available in that place which you are making the transfer, right? Do not say that you did not see any of these networks and decided to use another one, right? If you did not see the network you copied, come back and copy another network, or note the networks available in the place you want to make the transfer to, and then come here and choose the network available in that place from here, right? So what happens when you choose a different network is that if you copied your ERC20 wallet address and reaching where you want to transfer the coin from, you choose the ERC20 network, you will be debited and you will not be credited in this place. I believe you hear that, right? If you choose a different network from the network you copied here, let's say you choose ERC20 network, reaching where you choose this first one, which is ERC20, reaching where you want to transfer the coin from, which is Gate.io, where I want to transfer the coin from, and I choose ERC20. They will debit me from Gate.io and they will not credit me from credit me to ByBit. And there is nothing on earth you can do to recover that coin. It is lost and lost forever. So you must be very, very careful on the network you choose to make sure that you choose. If you choose this network, you will also select that network in that place. So I'll be choosing ERC20. Alright, so I will choose ERC20 in this case. So now you can read. Please confirm that you are depositing USDT to this address on the ERC20 network. Mismatch address information may result in permanent loss of your asset, which is what I told you. So you must be very careful. Then click on OK. So you can see that our network is ERC20 and this is the address, right? So what you need to do now is to copy this address. Click on this to copy the address. This address is just like your bank account where you are going to be sending money to. So even if someone requests for your wallet address to send you a coin, this is the way to copy your wallet address. Search for the coin the person wants to send you and then copy the address and send the person. So if someone wants to send you USDT, this is just a simple way you can copy your address and then send to the person, telling the person that the address you copied is ERC20 wallet address, right? If someone requests for your USDT wallet address, come here and search for USDT, just the same thing I did here. Then copy this address, make sure you send this address separately, do not attach anything. Then when you send it, under it you can tell the person this address is USDT ERC20 wallet address, right? So that the person you are sending it to will know the network you copied. So right now I'm going to copy the address then click on these two boxes to copy. You can see copy successful, right? Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the exchange where I want to transfer the coin from, right? We are done with ByBit. Now let's go to Gate.io where we'll be transferring the coin from to this place. So guys, this is Gate.io. Remember, we have copied the wallet address from ByBit. So this is our Gate.io. I'm going to open it now, and you can see I have 284.26 USDT. So come down to assets here. So click on assets. Since we want to transfer from this place to ByBit, we will come to withdraw, right? Remember, in ByBit you choose deposit because you are depositing it into ByBit, but here you are withdrawing it out from Gate.io. So click on withdraw, and then what we want to withdraw is USDT. So what we're going to do is to search for USDT here. Any coin at all that you are withdrawing, come here and search for it, right? Any coin at all I want to send out, right? I want to send it to someone and the person have sent you the wallet address. Search for the coin in this search bar. Once you click on withdraw, you will always see search bar that you search for the name of the coin that you want to withdraw, be it BNB, Ton, USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any coin. You search for it here, but in this case we are transferring USDT. So we search for USDT and you can see we have USDT text. This is suspended. This is what we want to transfer, USDT. So click on USDT and then select on-chain withdrawal, right? So when you select on-chain withdrawal, you can see in this first column is where you paste the address which you copied. And remember, we have copied the address on ByBit. So I'm going to long press here, paste address. So this is the address we copied. Then this is network. So in this column now, you are to choose the network you are transferring, or the network you copied. So click on this drop down icon here, and then when you click on it, it's going to show you different networks in this place. So I can see that in this one you have Tron TRC20. So you can still remember that the address we copied is TRC20 wallet address. So Tron TRC20 is still the same thing. So we copied Tron TRC20 wallet address. So that is TRC20 wallet address. And if you look at it, down here is the fee you are going to pay. So you are going to be, they will deduct you 1 USDT in this transfer. So no matter the amount it is, whether 100 USDT or 10 USDT or even 2 USDT, you will be charged 1 USDT for this transaction. Now if you copied Solana address, you will be charged 1.08 USDT for the transaction. If you copied Arbitrum1 address, you'll be charged 0.5 USDT. Then if you copied Polkadot address, you'll be charged 0.5 USDT. If you copied Optimism Bridge, you'll be charged 0.5 USDT. Then if you copied the Open Network, you'll be charged 0.778 USDT. Then you can see other ones in this place. So right, so in this place now, what I advise you is, since TRC20 wallet address is charging 1 USDT, you can go for BEP20 wallet address, right? You can go for BEP20 wallet address to charge you lesser fee, which is 0.5 USDT. Instead of paying 1 USDT, you can go for BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20 wallet address. This one will charge you lesser money, right? So you can still go for any other network that you wish to go for, but make sure that the address you copied in the other side is the address you are choosing here. If you choose different address from what you copied, you are going to lose the asset. So what we copied is TRC20. I'm going to select TRC20 wallet address, then click on it down here. So the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. So I'm going to put, if I want to withdraw everything I have, this is my available balance in USDT. So in this column is where you have to put the amount you want to withdraw, right? So take for instance, I want to withdraw 5 USDT. I'm going to put it in this column, and then you see 5 USDT. But if I want to withdraw everything, I'll just click on all. You see it is 10 USDT, and you can come here and see fill 1 USDT, and you can see that after charging me 1 USDT, I'm going to receive 9 USDT in my wallet. So next thing you do is to click on withdraw, and then it's going to load and take you to this page. You see confirm the address, and network information. So if you confirm and see that everything is correct, then you go ahead and click on confirm, right? So once you click on confirm, now it's going to take you to this security page, right? Once you finish loading, it's going to take you to where you are to put your email address, or the code they will send you to email address. You put it, right? Okay, so you can see this place for security reason is going to be blank, but what they're asking me here is a security code, which is my phone password, and then my Google authenticator, and then the code they will send to my email address. So what you need to do in this phase is to click on get code. They will send you a code in your email address, then copy the code and paste in this place, and then go to your Google authenticator and copy the code in your Google authenticator and then paste it in this place, or depending on the on your verification method, whichever code they ask you, just go there and copy the code and paste in this place. Once you are done, you are going to click on withdraw, and the money will be transferred to your ByBit account, right? So I'm going to do this now. It's not going to show you in this video because of security purposes, but make sure you replicate what I did, and you are going to withdraw your money straight to your account without having any issues. And if you encounter any issue, you can let me know. Let me explain better.